Hi, let's say which among the following approach to its destination. We have so many vehicles here. We have a Spider-Man, and we have so many obstacles on the road. And he has two blockades ahead. The third one it has collapsed and crashed totally, and it has failed. Has been crashed and it has failed to reach its destination. Now another vehicle is heading towards the destination. Has course successfully, and it's heading towards the destination. It has crossed in the fourth one, but at the last and the final stage, it has collapsed totally. Now we have Spider-Man heading on the bike towards the destination, and he is successfully crossed the two barricades, and his tide is a little bit flip. Let's see what happens whether they succeed in reaching the destination or here is tide has totally departed and it has slipped from the destination. Here is the final car which has a very most wheels. Let's see whether it succeeds. No, here the wheels have been detached and it has almost. For more, subscribe to our channel.